one of the fantastic things about the award I've been given is that people seem to, for some reason now, take me seriously, which I find quite bewildering. But actually, if I have a voice, I have a responsibility to use it well and use it on behalf of other people.
I almost think there's work that we need to do with male leaders to get them back to being their authentic selves and not being carbon copies of the organization that they're in. And I could talk forever on why organizations self-replicate and aligning behaviors and incentives, and why you're going to get the same thing that you're going to get if you keep doing that. But I find that if you can start getting people to have authentic conversations, or you can get them exposed to the lived experience of others, you can push them back into being much more empathetic leaders. And that's what we're doing with the Allies workshop training that we've been talking about, that Fiona mentioned, getting some very brave women to talk about their lived experience in the military to some senior men.
Pointing that out and drawing attention to the people who maybe aren't getting that attention that they rightfully deserve, you can make a difference right now, today, tomorrow, in the work that you're doing. So I guess I like to be kind of the spotlight of like, oh, hey, I see you over there in the corner. I see you working hard. What's going on? Tell me more. And being that person to kind of draw out the people like me that are quiet, but definitely have something to say and definitely had something to provide and contribute.
And sometimes talking to a stranger is actually easier than talking to someone you know, because you can unburden yourself and say things that you wouldn't normally say to other people. So I was able to spend some time talking to this lady who I don't even know her name. I will probably never see her again, but she left the bus feeling a little bit better than she did when she walked past it to start with. And that's all we need to do, is just reach out a little bit and just, I guess, hold someone's hand as they are sort of struggling, drowning in the water. And actually,